In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a task in Wrike. Whether you're cleaning up old test items, removing duplicates, or just trying to keep your workspace organized, knowing how to properly delete a task for good is really useful. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and looking at your workspace. At the top left of the screen, you'll see your profile area. This might appear as your name, your initials, or an avatar icon, depending on your settings. Go ahead and click on that profile area. This opens a small menu that gives you access to personal settings and a few other tools. From this menu, look for the option labeled Recycle Bin. The Recycle Bin is where Wrike stores items that have been deleted but not yet permanently removed. Think of it like a safety net. When you delete a task the first time, it goes here instead of disappearing forever. Click on Recycle Bin to open it. Once the Recycle Bin is open, you'll see a list of tasks and possibly other items that were previously deleted from your workspace. Take a moment to carefully review what's shown here, because anything you permanently delete from this area cannot be recovered later. When you've found the task you want to remove forever, look to the left of that task's name. You'll see a small checkbox next to it. Click on the checkbox to select that specific task. If you need to delete multiple tasks, you can select more than one by clicking additional checkboxes. Just remember, every selected item will be permanently removed in the next step, so double check that you've chosen only the tasks you truly want to delete. After you've selected the task or tasks, look for the delete option. This might appear as a trash can icon or a button labeled delete, usually toward the top or somewhere noticeable in the recycle bin view. Click on delete to start the permanent deletion process. Wrike may ask you to confirm this action since it cannot be undone. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully, then confirm that you really do want to delete the selected task or tasks. Once you confirm, Wrike will permanently erase those items from your account. And that's it. By clicking on your profile, opening the recycle bin, selecting the checkbox next to your task, and then clicking delete, you've successfully and permanently deleted a task in Wrike.